Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for your time. I'm Wahyudi from Surabaya State University, Faculty of Social Science and Law. In this time, I will present my presentation with the title Strengthening Nationalism at the Indonesia-Malaysia Border Community Through Civic Education, case study on Sebatik Island, Nunukan Regency, North Kalimantan Province. I will begin my presentation with introduction. We know that Sebatik Island, located in border areas, have some problems. The first, the use of foreign currency, Malaysia, that is legalized by the public in buying and selling transaction, according to Saleh 2011. Second, people's preference to buy overseas products, Malaysia, over Indonesian products, Yunardani 2012. Third, ownership of dual citizenship among the public is an open secret, Susanto 2012. On the other hand, government efforts in strengthening the nationalism of Indonesian people in the border, including border communities, with various laws and regulations. So the problem statement is, or the gap between the Sen and the Solen is how to strengthening nationalism at the Indonesia-Malaysia border community through civic education. Before answer this question, I have theories. The first theories is theory of nationalism. I use Kahn and Billig. And second, border theory from Martinez and Buzen. And third, theory of civic education by Kogan and Branson. And research method, I use qualitative approach with case study method because you know that qualitative research examines social or human problem with 12 key informants and 8 supporting informants in research location in A Sebatik district and the central Sebatik district. I also use data collection techniques, data analysis techniques, and data credibility testing to collect data from this research. Result and discussion. Strengthening nationalism truth. Civic education at the border consists of 2 points. The first in the schools, namely civic education, and in the community, namely citizenship education. The first forms of civic education in the school or civic education implement in first in class lectures or intracurricular, and then FGD, focus group discussion, intracurricular, and drama or role and play simulation, co-curricular, and then habituation, co-curricular, and last involvement in extracurricular organization. This is the way to forms of civic education in the schools, namely civic education. And the second, forms of civic education in society or citizenship education implemented in first seminar or socialization, explore the border pillars and the nationalism events, and then economic development and symbolization with the nationalism theme, digitalization of nationalism, and last involvement in semi-military organization. The frame of thinking for this research is we have civic education and citizenship education. This is a input to processing a civic competence. Branson said that civic competence consists of 3 points. The first, civic knowledge, and the second, civic disposition, and the third, civic skill. All of toward nationalism. So, civic competence is a result from nationalism. This is frame of thinking how strengthening nationalism with civic education. Conclusion. First, the form of civic education in schools is carried out in the form of intracurricular, co-curricular, extracurricular, and the form of civic education in the community implement in conventional and by-election forms. And second, civic education in schools and society, namely citizenship education forms, civics competence that have relevance to strengthening nationalism. Thank you for your attention. All the best for you. If there is a will, there is a way. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.